This is a Seat Up Trucks and Trains presentation.
I'm going to be your narrator for the train. I'll be pointing out areas on the east and west sides of the train as we go along. So, to help you get your bearings, the east side of the train is the side that Bass Pro Shops is on.
I like shrooms. Well, yeah, you guys like Alright, guys, how we doing up here? Good, alright. Well, real quick, I'm just walking through the cars, getting a quick head count. Is everybody with us? Nobody's in the bathroom just yet? We're all here. Alright, we got 3.
Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard the Branson Scenic Railway. My name is Liam, and I'm going to be pointing out areas on the east and west sides for you as long as the car route today. Excuse me. So to help you get your bearings, your east side of the train is going to be the side that the Bass Pro Shops is on. We would also like to remind you that there's no smoking, vaping, or alcohol allowed on board the train. There are restrooms on board, and a concession cart, which serves cold drinks, chips, candy, and other select snacks. Please ask your nearest train attendant for these details. Please use caution when moving through the cars, keeping one hand for yourself and one hand of those handrails or handhelds, as the train will rock side to side. There is no running or jumping on board, and please do not linger between the cars on the platforms and watch your step.
We're going out to the main line.
We ask that you please remain seated and listen to our instructions. Fire extinguishers and first aid kits are available in each car. Please let any crew member know if you have any questions or anything to support during the ride. Thank you, and welcome aboard the Branson Scenic Railway.
That's some Bass Pro Shops. That is the Bass Pro Shops. Not as fancy as the pyramid and the one in Memphis, though.
Your excursion service to the public in July of 1993. Now, this depot is one of only 4 structures to survive the devastating fire, which destroyed most of Branson in 1912. Now, as you look to the east side of the train, you will see the Branson Landing. This pedestrian shopping mall contains nearly 100 shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, and was opened here Memorial Day weekend of 2006. It is anchored by Bass Pro Shop on the south and the Belts Department Store on the north. In the center of the landing is an outdoor amphitheater offering a dazzling water fountain and fire show. Every hour on the hour, these fountains shoot water up to 80 feet in the air, and flames are projected from 15 vertical cannons. The landing place hosts many events throughout the year, including several free weekend concerts and the popular Independence Day fireworks display.
That's what I was thinking about. Now it broke down.